Hey guys, shift and go here. Today we got a Suzuki Swift from 2008 1.3 petrol. The engine won't keep running. It cuts out every time or runs very badly. Let's see if we can find the issue. This is bad. Also smells very bad. Check the car and got these 5 error codes. P0300, P0301, P0302, P0303, P0304, all cylinders misfired. As you can see, the engine keeps running the same when I pull the ignition cable from the spark plug. First, we need to check the spark plugs. After that, we will check the ignition coils. Keep in mind spark plugs are always cheaper than the coils, so start with the spark plugs before you order new stuff. Oh damn, that's bad. This is not what I expected. Never seen this before. I hope the pistons are not damaged. In the meanwhile, I am searching for the old spark plugs. I think someone made a mistake. The original ones are shorter. As you can see, there is a big difference between these two. I cleaned up all 4 original spark plugs and put them back in where they belong. Make sure you tighten the spark plugs hand tight first, so you are sure you don't break the thread in the cylinder head. We did not use the torque wrench for this one, but normally it should be tightened to a maximum of 18 nanometers. For the spark plugs you need the long socket 16 and a magnet. Make sure all your spark plugs are clean and in good condition. If necessary, buy new ones. After you have put all the spark plugs back into the engine, it is time to put the coils back and see what it does now. As you can see, it is now running like a charm. No more smoke here. And this is how you solve the P0301 to 3 for codes. Well, thank you everyone for watching this little episode. Click subscribe so you won't miss anything from us. And oh yeah, don't forget to like and comment. See you guys next time. Shift and go out.